Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today is the 14th day of the construction at my house. I'm in my basement. So today very little work was done. The reason is tomorrow is the inspection for fire separation, and until that inspection is passed, drywall work cannot be started. So see what they have done. So they had to make a new hole here, and then they have put this inlet pipe. Now I'll go to the basement and show you. Okay, so here you can see they have installed this intake only line. This line goes all the way up and then all the way till outside. So this is something they did it today. This is a new addition. Okay, yeah, the other thing they did was the labeling exhaust only. It's good to have your ducts and other things labeled. So that's fine. So this is the only work that has been done today, and tomorrow they will come. I mean, the city inspector will come to inspect fire separation and some other things. I don't remember, vapor or something, whatever. They are going to do the inspection. Once that inspection is passed, you see these dry walls. These dry walls will start going into the place. All other things have been done. Even the uh, electric work here has been passed as well, and a sticker of checked has been put over here. So things look good, and tomorrow we'll see more if things go right. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.